How to clean carpet at home. A clean carpet is important both for the appearance of your home and the health of the people who live in it. Stains and dingy carpet can detract from a peaceful atmosphere, while allergens and dirt can contribute to respiratory problems. There are a number of ways to clean carpet, depending on the nature of the mess. 1. Prepare the room to be vacuumed. Pick up any toys, papers or other objects that will obstruct the passage of the vacuum cleaner. Check for small items like coins that might damage the mechanism. Remember to look under furniture. Dust the blinds, furniture, windowsills, and baseboards first. The falling dust can then be vacuumed up. 2. Use a nozzle attachment to clean hard-to-reach areas. The edges of the carpets and the baseboards often collect dust which should first be removed. If furniture cannot be moved, use the cranny extension to reach under couches and other pieces to remove dust bunnies. 3. Vacuum both horizontally and vertically. First vacuum the entire room forward and back, then repeat the process going left to right. Carpet fibers are typically twisted, and by going both directions you can ensure that every part of the fiber has been reached. 4. Vacuum regularly. How regularly will depend on a few factors. In general, it's recommended to vacuum at least once a week per person in your household or roughly 20 pounds of pet. For example, a couple with 2 cats should vacuum 3 times a week. A single person with a 60-pound dog should vacuum 4 times a week. Remember that one of the main reasons to vacuum is to remove hair and dander. A large pet will usually produce more of both compared to a smaller one. If your carpet is visibly soiled with dirt or pet hair but isn't due for cleaning, forget this rule of thumb and vacuum more often.